Against product of its prime factors, 108 is 2 squared times 3 cubed. Write 96. Okay, so I've got to start with 96. I'm going to use a factor tree. What goes into here? Well, 2 goes into there, but I see 3 goes into. I'm going to take out 3 first. 3, that would be 3's into 9 goes 3, 3's into 6 goes 2. 32. 3 is a prime number, so now I've just left with 32. That could be 2 times 16. 16 is 2 times 8. I can't go anywhere with the 2's, they're prime numbers. 8 is 2 times 4, and 4 is 2 times 2. So 96 will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then times by 3, and that is 2 to the power of 5 times 3. But B, we have to find the highest common factor of these. So the biggest numbers that go into it, all the 3's, 2's go into 96. And here 2 2's go into it, 108, and 3 3's. So 2 2's go into 108, 2 2's also go into 96. So the highest common factor will certainly have 2 2's, or 2 squared, and 1 3 goes into 96. 3 of them go into here, so 1 3. So it's going to be 2 squared times 3. That's 4 times 3, that's just 12. To work out this, you could turn them all into top-heavy fractions, and that would be 7 over 4 plus 3. That'll be, there'll be 36 twelfths in 3, so 36 twelfths and another 5 will be 41 twelfths. And when you're adding fractions, the bottoms have to be the same, so I'm going to make this first one twelfths, and the second one is already twelfths, it's already 41 twelfths. How do I go from 4 to 12? I have to times by 3, so I've got to times the top by 3 as well, which gives me 21 twelfths. That will give me 62 twelfths, so I've got 21 of them and then 41 more of them, and that will be, well, 60 twelfths is 5, so that'll be 5 and 2 twelfths, and it says give it in its simplest form, so that'll be 5. I can cancel 2 twelfths down to get 1/6. So another way, which is probably easier to do it, I could just say, well, it's going to be 1 plus 3 is 4, and then 4 add 3 quarters and 5 twelfths, and then do that. That'll be 4 plus, I've got to change that into twelfths, and the 5 twelfths is already 5 twelfths. Here I have to times from 4 to 12, I have to times the bottom by 3, I need to times the top by 3, that'll give me 9 twelfths, and that'll give me 4 and 9, 14 twelfths, which is 4 and 1 and 2 twelfths. 4 and 1 is 5, and 2 twelfths is a 6th. I get the same thing either way. Anyhow, that's done.